जी नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज 81। हाँ जी लिखो जी। इफ आई कैन स्पेयर द necessary time, I shall go to the head office tomorrow. Full stop. I shall do my best to induce the authorities to raise the rate at which we are to ensure measures mores and mores for bales of rigs. Full stop. The rate should be higher because of the risk of fire and damage to the rest of the cargo. Full stop. I shall be sorry to receive a refusal as the business is scarcely worth the worry and risk unless we secure a fair rate. Full stop. We have had numerous instances of loss on similar policies in the past. Full stop. I think we should have a due sense of the grave loss and injury which may follow a refusal to raise the rates on these risky packages. Full stop. Everyone knows how easily oily rigs take fire. Full stop.